Hello, hello. It is Saturday today and we are going to Cooper's Beach with my sister and brother-in-law. Cooper's Beach was rated the 4th best beach in 2019 within the United States. And it's only a 2-hour drive from here, so we're going on a beach day. This is the pile of stuff we'll be taking with us, excluding all the food that we're yet to pack up. But the thing on the right is a pop-up tent from Costco that we'll be trying today. Purple bag is a change of clothes. And then pink beach bag has our picnic blanket and utensils and napkins and goggles and towels and beach things. Before you make any domestic abuse remarks, James got stung by a bee and he doesn't look too good. Ah! So now you know, so don't be scared whenever you see him. We haven't packed it up yet, but I wanted to show you the feast we have for today before we pack it up in case I forget. First of all, we have some chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Okay, this is the top level of our fridge right now that has mostly everything. I made lemonade infused with basil and it has spearmint in it right now, and these 2 jugs are filled with it. Then we're gonna make wraps with hummus, avocado, sweet potatoes, which are somewhere in here, and carrots, and we made this spicy cashew cream sauce, which is really good. And then this is preparation for a Caesar salad. I have the Caesar dressing, some kale, and then there are croutons that I made in the back. And what else? Oh yeah, I made a mushroom pistachio pate that I will definitely be taking a picture of later. And I think that's it. That's not it for the picnic. My sister is packing up fruit, like apples, grapes, watermelon obviously, and crackers and some other stuff. I'll show you when we eat, hopefully. He's got it all.
It doesn't hurt.
You need
How many fingers? 4.
They just noticed his bee bite.
What?
I'm filming.
Oh. Going to the beach.
Going to the beach.
Riding bicycles.
Those actually have bicycle lanes. You know you're in a fancy place when you have bicycle lanes.
We made it.
Woo.
Nice. We're about to get our spot on the sand. We are in Southampton. So you have all of these summer home mansions lining the beach.
What?
The aftermath of the water in a nap.
You could do me, but I'll look this.
Okay, look.
I'll go.
Well, now I can hear you. Don't ruin the audio.
Oh, okay.
What do you think about the beach?
It's sandy. Sandy. Warm.
How did you like the water?
Funny. Cold. Dangerous.
Can you speak?
Almost died twice.
Can you make sentences with more than one words in them?
Yeah. I almost died. I almost died twice. Because the waters are torrential. Torrential? I don't know. Treacherous. Treacherous. The waters are treacherous. Yeah. We were swimming with the surfers. The rocks at the bottom scratched my knee.
What?
Very cold. The lunch before that was pleasant.
What is your message for Talia from the beach?
Hi, Talia. Hi, Talia.
This is waiting for you, Talia. The beach.
Our 2 husbands braving the waves. Here we are at the beach. Wait, is it video or? Oh wow, look at James! Oh, head first.
Was that James?
Yeah.
Wow.
You better get up soon! I want to watch him do it again.
I don't think he will.
He said it's not recommended.
Yeah. Look, he's trying to fix whatever's going on in there.
What? James is still adjusting, it looks like.
Yeah. Something definitely went wrong. Baywatch.
What happened to your Swift drugs? Don't worry about it.
We're heading on out now.
There's the view of the parking lot. So we're heading out, lined with mansions all around. It's 10:30 p.m. and we just got home. Beach day success. Bye.